Wide grip lat pull down, improving overall back strain and width. Sit on the machine by holding the lat pull down bar with the wide grip, keeping your back straight and chest up. Pull the bar toward your upper chest with proper form. Squeeze your back muscle, then slowly bringing the bar upward with control movement. Start with the light weight, then increase the weight after each set. Bent over dumbbell row. Target muscle rhomboids and lats, increasing the thickness and strength of the upper back according to your strength. Holding the dumbbell in both hands and stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight, bent at the hips and let the dumbbell hanging in front of you. Squeeze the back muscle, pull the dumbbell toward your hips, hold it for 1 second and control the speed, bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. Single arm lat pull down. Isolate one side of the back, improving strain and muscle imbalance. Attach a single handle cable to the cable machine or lat pull down machine and sit in front of the machine and hold the handle with one hand. Focusing on the lat muscle, pull the handle downward toward you, hold it for 1 second, then slowly bringing the handle back to the starting position. With the same form, perform it with the other hand also. Incline dumbbell row. Target muscle upper back and rear deltoids. This is a very good exercise to grow the back muscle without cheating. Lean on an incline bench with chest supported, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Hang the dumbbell with your arm straight down and focus on your back muscle. Pull the dumbbell upward, hold it for a few seconds and with the same form bringing the dumbbell back to the starting position. Single arm seated cable row. This exercise engages the lats and mid-back muscle for balance development. Attach the single handle cable and sit in front of the cable machine. Grab the handle with one hand, keeping your back straight and chest upward. Pull the handle toward your hips, hold it for 1 second and then with the control form, bringing the handle back to the starting position. Keep your elbow close to your body during this entire movement. Barbell deadlift. Target multiple muscle groups including the hamstring, gluteus, lower back and traps, promoting overall strength and power. Hold the barbell in front of you with your feet hip width apart, back straight and hip and knees bent. Then slowly lift the barbell upward and then straight. Then squeeze the lower back muscle and then bringing the barbell to the starting position with control. To avoid lower back injury, take care of the proper form and using a supporting belt.